The school officials in Austin had an announcement today saying that the entire district is going to be switching to distance learning for at least the upcoming week. They're running into some of the same issues they faced at the start of the school year with transportation. The school's contracted bus services down drivers because drivers have come down with COVID-19. Resources are no longer there to get kids to and from school. For more on this, ABC 6 News reporter Brett Backley explains.
Austin Public Schools relies on Palmer bus service to get its students to and from school. But over the weekend, the transportation company gave the district some bad news.
We did see our first couple drivers come in late Friday that tested positive.
Shane Johnson is Chief Operations Officer for Palmer Bus Service. He says at the end of last week, a couple of its drivers had come down with COVID-19 and others were showing symptoms. But he remained hopeful that they'd be able to keep their commitment to the school.
It looked positive that we would be able to have drivers from other locations be able to come down to Austin to continue driving.
The school provided the bus service with test kits, and a few days later, more troubling news, this time from the state health department.
We received a call from the Minnesota Department of Health that they'd seen received concerning data that the tests were now coming to them, that they were seeing several more positive tests.
At least 12 positive cases to be exact.
We followed up with Palmer, and at that time, with that notification, Palmer said they could not continue to provide services during their quarantine and recovery phase.
It caught us, you could say, and we unfortunately are not able to provide the transportation that we need to right now to take care of Austin Public Schools, and I'm sure we feel bad about that.